Hey everybody, this is Fred with RedlineMuscleCars.com at Redline Ranch. We're at Windstar Casino and I met a buddy with this awesome CST factory big block 402 truck. CST stands for Cheyenne Super Truck, and that's what this is. It is all original, unrestored, with a camper. It's got auxiliary tanks. The paint is crazy nice. It has such cool things that everybody wants. Look at this trim, how nice it is. Original windshield, all original interior. It's got cool things like Baja Championships, auxiliary tanks, love bug. So cool. Look at the original scroll work on these original door panels. This truck comes with the pass-through into the camper. This is the truck that everybody wanted in 1970 to go Baja, riding their motorcycle or whatever else. It's got a factory 4-speed, factory 396, or the 402, however you want to call it. So it is factory CST. I have the original Protecto plate for it, which is so cool. Look at this. Totally original and unrestored truck. And she's running right now. I'm in love. All the chrome is fantastic. This is so cool. This truck will not last the weekend, I don't think. Y'all call me at 580-221-4326 or check out our website, RedlineMuscleCars.com. Thanks, have a blessed day. We're in Oklahoma.